going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me on another episode of the Hot Box. Cheers. So today, just went right into it. Spent all of my bill money on cards. So let's hope we can pull some bangers today. Pay those bills. But as you can see right in front of us, we have some Darkness Ablaze. Obviously Lost Origin. Got some Astral Radiance. We'll start out with that. And we'll finish up with this Zamazenta V10 and check it out and see if we can get anything. So I'm gonna cut through this. Next time you see the screen, we're gonna have the packs and we'll rip all these blisters real quick. We'll be back. Welcome back. Cheers. You did not want to watch me open all those, I promise you. Alright guys, so we have 9 Lost Origins, 4 Astral Radiance, and 4 Darkness Ablaze. And the only reason I got the Darkness Ablaze, I haven't opened a lot of it. We'll start with Astral Radiance, but I do wish I could pull that Charizard. Who doesn't? So I figure I'd test our luck, see what we can do here. There's your upside down code card, as always. Go right through these. But yeah, I wanted to find some, as we get a holo Togekiss, wanted to find some Brilliant Stars. And I went to the Gamestop to pick all this up, and surprisingly they didn't have it. It had some boxes, like a Bolton V box and all that, but it's $20 for like 3 packs. 2 Brilliant Stars and a Fusion Strike. No, you missed me on that. Mischievous, Delayed, Hollow. It's just a purple theme day. But that's fine. So how's everybody been? Hopefully you've been having some good luck with Lost Origins. I've had decent luck. I haven't opened it lately. It'll take a little break if you haven't watched my last video from the One Chip Challenge. It was brutal. Magnezone and a non-holo. So no trainer galleries. Yeah, I had to take a little breather. Take a little break. Because that chip messed your boy up pretty good. I do not recommend that to anybody. If you haven't watched that video, please go check it out. You will have a good laugh. I promise you. Okay, last pack of Astral Radiance. Can we get a trainer gallery or something? You got 2 holos. That's not what we're looking for. No trainer gallery and a non-holo. So we struck out. Struck out with Astral Radiance. It's fine. We'll move into Darkness Ablaze. Can we pull that Charizard? Probably not. But that's alright. Hey, if you ain't ripping, you ain't got a shot. You ain't got a shot. Alright, here we go. Panseer, Rose Tower, and an Agron Hollow. So, GameStop's got all the holos. Not what I'm looking for. Alright, come on. Got 2 packs left after this. Darkness Ablaze. Come on. Ducklet Reverse. And a Mimikyu. Reverse. Why did I put the reverse down? Okay. Maybe this is why I haven't opened Darkness Ablaze. Oh, man. But I did do a, what is it? I forget what it's called. I signed up a little program for GameStop. I bought these packs. I was going to check out. He's like, you know, it's a fruity card. A Hoopa Hollow. Good God. Okay. He's like, yeah, you know you got $5 credit. I said, bet, boy, let me get one more pack of that Lost Origins. Let's get extra Lost Origins. Damn, baby, we gambling. Go card. All right, I'm gonna do the pack trip just because it's Darkness Ablaze. Ain't never done it. Maybe bring us some luck. Come on, baby, give me something. Let's go. Show me that Zard. I need the Zard. Wishy-washy. She's so wishy-washy. Galarian Mr. Rhyme. And non-hollow. Okay. So not doing good. Not doing good at all. Moving to Lost Origins. Some beautiful, beautiful cards in this set. I'm sure you've seen every single one of them now. Still hunting after that Gengar. Obviously the Charizard. And obviously the Giratina and Aerodactyl. Hoopa Reverse. And a Rhyperior. I'm hollow. Ooh. It's testing me. Cheers, everybody. Need a drink. And these are all loose blister packs, so we're probably not going to get anything. But that's okay. Let me spend and waste my money so you don't have to. It's fine. It's fine. Super excited about that Silver Tempest. I wasn't at first. Oh, I hate that thing. But yeah, super excited about Silver Tempest. There's some beautiful cards in there. At first I was like, but then they dropped the Lugia, revealed the Lugias. So, the Lugies. Ugh. Hell of a name. But then I got really excited, so. Okay, we got an Orbital VMAX. Okay, let's go, let's go. Did we get a double banger? Oh, Macargo. Okay. So our first hit of the day, I did, your boy got some sleeves. Ooh, hit my light. We got the sleeves, baby. Let me sleeve it up. Okay, first time pulling this card. Not an Orbital fan. But, yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for. I'm a big Trainer Gallery guy. I love that they've done that with the recent sets. Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, Lost Origins. It just gives you a chance to pull something if there's a white code card. The other sets obviously don't have that, so the pull rates are a lot harder. But yeah, that's why I wanted to get some, you know, Brilliant Stars as well. I know we didn't get anything out of Astral Radiance, but that's fine. No Trainer Gallery here. No, nothing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that Polygraph. Check me out again on Instagram. I think I'm gonna start putting the shirts on there. Had a couple people on Instagram ask me about buying one. If you're interested, literally, I would charge you for what the shirt is, how much the shirt costs, the material, and shipping, and maybe a few bucks because my wife makes it just to give to her. I'm not trying to profit off it or anything, but if anybody's interested or has an idea that they would like specifically on a shirt, let me know. Leave it in a comment. Let me know. Alright, Lickitung, get a Horsey, Shuffit, Snover, Lady, Rhyperior. Ugh. Terrible Pokemon. I can't. I can't. Just need a minute here. Come on. Come on. Give me something. Don't let this be the orbital, the only hit, please. God. Let me cue reverse. Woo! Baby, let's go! Let's go, baby! Look at that. First rainbow out of Lost Origins. Oh, you people, you bought Lost Origins and you didn't get one rainbow. You know what? Here's your rainbow, bub. Yeah, get a sleeve for that bad boy. Okay, we're pulling the heat. We're pulling the fire. Price check that. Probably not a price on it yet. Look at that, boy. Okay, I'm pumped now. Save the day. Let's save the day. Oh, we drinking on that one. Get your bone water ready. We drinking on that one, guys. Oh man, that was clutch. Fire pool, baby. Fire. Okay. Back to the upside down. Stranger Things, upside down world. Okay. Come on. Come on, baby. Darkrai. Oh, and what is that? Terrible. Trash. Waste of a holo. Absolute waste of a holo. You heard it here first. Last 2 packs. Do the pack trick on these last 2, then we'll get into the 10. Just because I don't know. Maybe the pack trick will bring us some luck. Probably did it wrong. Can't count. Dropped out of school. I'm just kidding. I didn't drop out of school. I went to aviation college to work on airplanes, and I'm a construction worker. Ugh. All right, let's go. Oh, come on. Gotta pay the bills, baby. Gotta pay the bills right here. Okay. A trainer gallery. We're paying the bills, baby. Oh, trash. That's okay. It's coming through. Okay. Saving the day. I thought this was going to be bad. I'm not a fan of this Pokemon. But, you know, it's a cool card. I messed with the trainer galleries. I messed with it. See, trainer galleries save bad Pokemon. We pulled 2. The Orbeetle and an Amorous. Whatever that thing is. That fucking Valentine thing. I don't know. But it saves the day. I'll take it. Maybe I can pay my light bills this week. Okay, last pack of Lost Origins before we get into that Zamazenta V10. Kamala, Harris, Thornton, here's a who. Jinx these nuts. Makuhita, Bronzor, these balls. Phalanx, you already know. Poliwag, this tag, baby. Machamp reverse. Look at my guys. Flexing on them. Come on. Can we get the Giratina? Oh, God. Had me there for a second. Okay, so we ended on a V. V's are like hollows. Trash. That's alright. That's alright. Not bad. Not bad. Let's cut into this 10 right here. I got a mess, a plethora of Pokemon stuff behind me. It's getting a little bit out of control. I need to figure out where I can sell my bulk too. Get rid of some of this bulk. Get some store credit somewhere, so if y'all know anybody in the area, Covington, Georgia, let your boy know. Okay. Let me move these out of the way. Big dog coming in. Terrible camera angle, I'm sorry, forgive me. The Zamazenta V. I'm gonna leave that in here for now. Ugh. Ugh, Fusion Strike. Okay, so there's your promo. This tin was released in 2020. Should be 5 packs in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. God. I was hoping for something better on the last tin. It was just god awful. So we got a Fusion Strike. Oh, God. 2 Fusion Strikes. An Evolving Skies before the reprint, so maybe we can get lucky. Pull that Umbreon Reaching for the Moon. Fire. Chilling Rain. Okay, 2 Chilling Rains. Do better, Pokemon. We'll say, you know what? I'll do Evolving Skies last. Just because there's a shot, there's a chance for the Umbreon Reaching for the Moon. There's a chance. Alright, we'll start out with Fusion Strike. I've just had the absolute worst luck with Fusion Strike. I don't think I've pulled anything. I don't think I've pulled V cards out of Fusion Strike. Go card, upside down. We'll do the pack trip on these last 5, just because why not? I know some of you just love to see it. Some of you are, yeah, don't do the pack trick. Whatever, I'm here to please my fans. I'm going to give you a little bit of both. Alright? Let's go. Give me that Gengar. Come on, baby. The Onyx. Rip off Squirtle. Totodile. Love my Gen 2. Come on. I ruined it. Not the trash. That cute Totodile though. Oh god. Pokemon. Terrible Pokemon. Anyways. Sorry, I get a look at my feelings a little bit. Might just get a shredder in here for certain Pokemon. Just shred them. Just go card. Okay. We'll do the pack trick. It's fine. Closing out, down to our last 4 packs. Got the fire. Fire, baby. Thank you for joining me, as always. Thank you for your support. Please check me out on Instagram. I'm popping on there. I'm popping. Your boy's getting followers. Getting hella likes. Tell your friends Pokeball 8. Because we eating, baby. That's why it's Pokemon 8. We eating over here. Eating on the Feraligatr. God. Absolute trash. Love that Pokemon though. Beautiful artwork. Okay. Houdin's Chilling Rain. You know, I want to make my videos shorter, but I'm just bringing the fire. I'm bringing the fire for you guys, man. How can you cut this short? I'm ripping packs. I'm wasting money for y'all, so you don't have to. So you don't have to waste your money on these tins. Score Bunny, Diglett, Golett, Deerling, Sneeze, this. Oh. Okay. I don't even know what to say. I can't even. I mean, there's so many hits you could pull out of these. The same. Look at Evolving Skies. We will not pull anything out of Evolving Skies right here. Go look how many cards you can pull out of it. And tell me why I can't pull any. Just tell me. Same thing with Chilling Rain. Chilling Rain and Fusion Strike and the reprint of Evolving Skies. Just don't even waste your money. Don't do it. I'm telling you, just don't. Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, Lost Origins. That's it. Get the trainer galleries, better pulls. I'm telling you, better pull rate. If you want a good time, buy those 3. Everything else, bump it. Or Pokemon Go if you like constant hollows. Pokemon Go's alright. You know, whatever. I'm not a big fan. I'm telling you, don't waste your money on anything else. Don't. ridiculous. A Metagross V. So if those are the hit, if the Metagross is the hit out of the 10, forgive me. I'm sorry. Last pack of Wallen Skies. You know what? Let's cheers it off. I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out, guys. Can't pay my light bills with these pulls. Oh, beautiful. So smart of me. You can just end this video now because there's nothing in here. Thank you for joining me. As always. Oh, Hitmonchan, one of the most underappreciated comics. As always, if you like that video, if you like this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on all bell notifications. I will take... Can't do it. I will catch you next time in the hot box. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so frustrated. I'll catch y'all next time. We out.